Okay, good day everyone. So this is the average formula we are going to be doing. So okay, now let's start with the average formula. Okay, firstly, what do we mean by average? Average function is a function in Excel which calculate the average. So for that, if you want to do this, so what we are going to do now is to press at this place, we press equals to so do not forget any formula you want to input them as, there must be an equals to sign first. So you put equals to average. Can you see? Equals to average. Then you say number one, comma. All these things you are seeing here, they are called intelligence. It's telling you number one. What is the number one of the average you are looking for? This, comma. You see that it's moved to number two here. Then this, comma. Which one? This, comma, and this. Then what next? I'll close my brackets and press enter. Then we have 4. Can you see? Can you see that we have 4 here? So I can just the same thing for this one. I can say equals to average. Then I can just highlight everything like this. That's B3 to E3. Close my brackets, press enter. I have 4 here also. Pop it out. So, can you see? The same thing for all these ones also. The same thing. So that's the work of an average. So this is everything about average. Is not something that this thing, it's just a small work. So this is all what you are just going to do on the average. This is just the average formula if you want to calculate the average of something. So let me do it again. I have equals to average. As I'm doing it, you are supposed to be writing these formulas down. What is the average tab? Then what is the average of what you are looking for? You are looking for the average of these 4 numbers here. Then you close your bracket, press enter. 4. Then I can just pop it out here. This plus sign, I'll make sure you show this plus sign at the edge of this thing here. This place here. Here. I'll make sure it shows something like plus like this. So it's not like plus like this. It's not showing that plus yet. Plus sign here. I'll populate it. So this is it. This is for average. Or instead of doing that, if you feel like doing it one by one, but I'm just doing the shortcuts. I'm just doing the shortcut in case you have more than 1 million data sets, so you will know what to do. So instead of you doing it one by one, you can just, if you've done the first formula correctly, then you click on this place here, then to populate the rest for you. Can you see? Can you see? So that's everything under average formula. Thank you.